everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app you click on settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you click on Wizz app and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.